Hi, my name is Maria, whatever, and I really just don't appreciate it that people always assume that because I'm Spanish that I know how to cook rice and beans. I don't know how to cook rice and beans, alright? Because I don't eat that shit. That shit is really nasty and it's really fattening. You already see that I'm already on the heavy side, and I'm not gonna be around going around cooking people fucking rice and beans and pork chops and all that shit. I don't know how to do that. I do not know how to cook, and I need you guys to leave me alone. And I need people to stop automatically assuming that just because I have my strong accent that I'm gonna be speaking Spanish to people. No, I speak English. I just have an accent because I wasn't born here. I was born in the Dominican, but that doesn't mean anything. Like DK, I just I don't understand it, alright? Because it's wrong. I get in the cab and they automatically put on the reggaeton or they put on a Spanish station. I don't want to hear that. Can I get some Hot 97? Because I was born. I'm Americanized. I've been here for a long time, and that's what I like to listen to. So you're not gonna be like, judging me automatically by my race and just assuming shit. I don't like that, and I really would appreciate it if people didn't do that because it's wrong. It's wrong, and I don't like that at all. And now I'm talking in a British accent. Did you notice that? That I went from Spanish to British?